Loan, simply borrow. This is a sign for borrow. Right over left, borrow. Borrow. Like this.
Like K.
With a K. Make your Ks. Set your right. Yeah, you're doing it. Borrow. If you're going to loan it to someone, or let someone borrow it, it's directional. Let's give you a loan. Obviously, when you're talking about money in that context, it becomes a loan. Do you know what I mean? Or can borrow some money. It really depends on the context. And if you want to be specific, you can always go borrow and then do finger spelling afterwards. You can always do that. Loan.
Depending on what context, from you to there or to there.
Right, it's directional. If you're letting someone borrow or you're giving a loan, it's that way. If you're getting one, right. Pay off. Pay off. It's just an X on your money. Pay off. You also see it middle finger to pay off, but pay off. Forefinger, pay off. Just an X. Pay off. It means to like cancel your debt, pay off. Okay, O, you know the sign, remember the sign for pay? O. Dumb not cut off. O. Means like, it's my money. You owe. Owe me $5. You owe me $5. My brother owes me $5. Brother owes me $5. Or $5. My brother owes me. Okay, cost. Cost. Make an X. Cost. It's also the sign for taxes. Cost. It's just up and down. Cost. Cost? Come on. Cost. Cost. $20.
What was cost?
Cost.
Cost.
With an X? Any questions on those?
Yeah, I do got a question regarding cent. Can you show me the difference between think and cent?
Think and cent are the same one.
I got you.
But 5 cents. 1 cent rather than just, I think. See? Because you're going to have an amount, whether it's just 1 cent, 0 cents. You know what I mean? Make sense? Yes.
So how would you do confused? I know that sounds like this.
Confused.
Oh.
You can do it here, confuse, or see it right here. You can do it that way too. Confuse, because it means think all jumbled, just think, and then here. Good? Okay, so far, you guys don't know this one. It'll be easy. Car, drive, car, drive. Truck, finger spelled, truck, but you will see truck.
I've seen car.
You've seen car, very English. Car, truck. Truck, finger spelled. But you will see it truck, but I will finger spell. I think it's the only one. So if you see a finger spelled word on the test, it's truck. Truck. But you will see truck and car. But that's just more English. Because there is a sign for car. Why is it got to be car? Bus. Like bees.
B. What?
Huh? Oh, sorry. SUV. Finger spell.
So you lied to us about the truck, huh?
Do what?
You said that was the only one finger spell.
I did, didn't I? Well, SUV, if it ends with a V, it's obviously
It's not truck.
I didn't even see SUV. I don't know. Bus. You also see, remember, pen, bank? You will see bus. 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 But this is the official sign for bus. It's like something long, and then these are B's. Bus. Train. Do the same fingers for sit and chair. But train. See, 2 tracks. Back and forth. Train. Remember I told you you want an ASL idiom, train God? For like, oh, you missed a boat. I'm gonna tell them that joke again. I'm gonna do it again. You missed a boat. Train gone. Train gone. Fish. Train gone. But this is second train. Plane. Plane. Fly. Plane. Good. Plane. Bicycle. Pedals. Bicycle. Bicycle. Going out. Going out. Bicycle. Motorcycle. Dirt bike. Motorcycle. Can also be used for four-wheeler. You would do this and then think about four-wheeler. Roller skate. I just want to see what someone would come up with. Roller skate. Roller skate.
Is that X? Or no?
X's.
X's.
Roller skate. You're gonna see it. People do like roller skate, skateboarding. 'Cause
With one hand
take
out?
Yeah, with one hand out because that's your foot
Okay.
taking the board. Walk.
Yeah.
There's that one. Boat. Boat. Bottom of the boat. Boat. If you're describing a story, you're in the boat and it's going. It's just sign for boat. Shark. This is sign for like when you're doing like a boat. This sign for like
Jumping.
going really fast.
The wake.
Oh, kind of like how it bounces on the
Yeah. Helicopter? I think I should
Oh, you
use
did
that.
it, you did it.
Helicopter. Helicopter. Skydive, because you're going down, but helicopter. And it's okay, the wrist move, is if you guys can't get the wrist move, it's okay. It just takes practice. Helicopter. Elevator. Elevator. An E. Elevator. You can just do it one way too if you want. Elevator. It doesn't have to be double. Elevator. Escalator. Big spell. You could, if you wanted to describe it, a lot of ASL, so you don't have to finger spell all the time, this is what we call describe and do. Move, itself, alone. You could do this and they would understand what you mean. You found a finger spell. Any questions on this? Nada? Remember, if you have questions, or if you find out when you get home, mark them. If y'all want to go ahead and try to figure out the signs beforehand for animals, but it's my favorite. It's my favorite one. Then we do sports, and then fruits, veggies on Tuesday. And remember, the quiz on Thursday will be over school, money, and transportation. Okay? Remember, if I tell you there's 3 or 4 signs for one, it would help to mark it, because remember, I do make mistakes, and if I end up putting it on the quiz, and during the quiz you're like, excuse me, you said there's more than one sign. But don't be like school. Oh, there's more than one sign for that. You can't ask us that one. You can't. No, I know if there's like more than one sign.
So this test will be next Thursday?
Yes.
Gotcha.
The quizzes are always Thursday unless I email, I'll let you guys know if it's not.
Sure.